Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid safely and effectively. First, gather your jumper cables and ensure both vehicles are completely turned off. Safety is paramount, so wear protective gloves and eyewear. This prevents potential injury from battery acid or electrical sparks. Always double-check your connections and surroundings before proceeding with the jumpstart. Now let's find your Ioniq Hybrid's 12-volt battery. It's conveniently located in the trunk, beneath the floor panel on the right side of the vehicle. Once you lift the panel, you'll clearly see the battery. Identify the positive terminal, which is usually covered by a red cap, and the negative terminal, which is typically exposed and easy to access. With the batteries located, it's time to connect the jumper cables. Attach the red positive clamp to your Ioniq's dead battery positive terminal. Connect the other red positive clamp to the good battery's positive terminal. Next, attach one black negative clamp to the good battery's negative terminal. Finally, connect the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Ioniq, away from the battery. This provides a safe ground. Once all cables are securely connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge. After 5 minutes, try starting your Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. If it starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First the negative clamps, then the positive clamps. Drive your Ioniq for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.